In this video, let me show you how to fix Rajhi bank account login problem. Now in this situation, the first thing that you need to make sure is that you have entered in your correct credentials. So for example, the national ID or your username along with the password that you created while signing up. If you think that you've forgotten your password, you can simply head over to the forgot password link and then reset your password if this is not the case for you. Secondly, what you can also try out is try to clear out the app cache of the application. So simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and right here make sure you tap on the clear storage option once this step is complete. Secondly, what you could also try out is try to update the application. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and look for new updates available for the platform. Now even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. In this situation, what you need to do is contact the customer support. So just open up a web browser of your choice and then simply search for Rajhi customer support and you'll be able to directly contact them. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.